Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here's a math problem that looks easy, but it tricks most people. So can you solve it? Pause the video and try it yourself and let's see if you are right. Comment your answer before I solve it. So let's imagine. So this in class, half students shout one answer and half shout another. Why so much confusion? Because many forget the order of operation that also called BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. What it says, so here's a rule that works for every question. Here, board mass. It stands for B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Division and multiplication have same priority from left to right, similarly addition and subtraction. So this rule, BODMAS rule, it's like traffic rules for number. Follow them step by step and you will never crash into the wrong answer. So let's solve step by step using BODMAS. So if you see this type of question where fraction, so what you do, write the numerator part in bracket, then division that shows the denominator, and here write the denominator part. So now if we apply this BODMAS rule, so first solve the bracket and always try to solve from left to right if all the symbols are same. So first 25 divided by 4, I can write it like this. Then division, then it is 4 divided by 25. Now it's look much easier than the expression given. Now here I am going to apply a rule that is KCF rule, which says that K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So how can we use it? Keep the left hand, change the symbol, the division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it's become 25 by 4. So now simply 25 times 25 is 125 and 4 times 4 is 16. So this is the final answer. So notice how clear it gets once you follow BODMAS. Without it, people jump around randomly and get wrong answer. So now it's your turn. The homework question is 9 divided by 3, 4 minus 1. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more puzzle and Olympiad maths fit.